So today we are going to continue on the same page that we were working with yesterday, and it's now the bottom half of the second page. There should be 4 graphs down there, and we are going to solve a linear system by graphing, and then we're going to check our solution. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to graph both of these lines on a coordinate plane, and then we're going to see where they cross. And if you remember, if you look up here, we did this yesterday. We just saw where they intersected and we put that coordinate. So this was -2, 2. Well, now instead of giving us the lines, we're going to make them ourselves. So all of these equations are in y equals mx plus b form, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So here we go. Y equals 3x. So the slope is 3, and there's no b here. We could almost put a +0, but you don't even have to do that. But that just means that the y-intercept is right here at the origin. So y equals 3x means we go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, and we run out of room. Well, we know we can continue the pattern if we go from the origin, down 3 this way 1, down 3, this way, okay, and we've run out of room. Now we're going to draw our line, and of course mine's going to be crooked, but you're probably using a ruler. So there is our y equals 3x. Now we're going to change our color for y equals 4x minus 1. What's our y-intercept for this one? Remember, y-intercept is b, and our b is -1. So we put a mark at y equals -1. And our slope is 4x this time. So we go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Now this way we can go down 4 over, here, 1, down 4 over 1. And we get the graph here. I'm going to pause and do a straight line. Okay, and there we have it. We have our red line as y equals 3x and our blue line as y equals 4x minus 1. Now this one's a little hard to see, but they actually do cross right at this point. And what is that point? That point is over 1 on the x and up 3 on the y. So our final answer is 1, 3. But the way we're doing it is we're graphing them to see where they intersect. Okay, so why don't you guys try and pause, do number 2, this one here, the second one, and see if you get it correct. So you try this, pause here. Okay, so y equals 2x minus 4 should look something like this blue line here, and y equals x plus 8 should look something like this red line right here. These two linear equations cross or intersect right at this point right here, and that is the solution to their system. So what is that point? That is -4, 4. So in these little blanks we want to write -4, 4. Now down here we have 1/2 x minus 6, and this is written kind of weird. It should look something like this, 1/2 x minus 6. But anyways, we know that our b is -6, and that's where we start. And our slope is 1 over 2, so we go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. And we go down, and we get a line that looks like this. Well, now we have y equals -8. Remember, y equals a number are lines that are horizontal. When x equals a number, it's a line that is vertical. So we go to y equals -8 right here. And remember last time we made like a little x and y chart? No matter what x equals, let's say x equals 0, y equals negative. If x equals 3, y equals -8. If x equals 7, y equals -8. And we could plot all these points. So -3, -8. We could do 7, -8. No matter what, our y equals -8. So your line should end up looking something like this. A blue line going up in this direction, a red line going straight across at y equals -8. Now, what's my ordered pair? Where they cross? Well, they cross right here. And if you plotted the points, you'd see that right here, both are a plotted point. So, what coordinate is that? That's x equals -4, y equals -8. All right, so why don't you guys try this one and see if you get it right. Now remember, x equals -3 is not going to be a horizontal line, it's going to be a vertical line. So see if you can place it in the right place. Okay, so now we see that our vertical line here is at x equals -3. Our other line here has a slope of 1/1 and a y-intercept of 2. And our solution to this system is -2, -1. Remember, that's this point right here. This is the point that's true for both of these equations. So go ahead and use this for tonight's worksheet. You have lots of systems of equations to graph on that. If you have any questions, let one of us know.